Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have a 2008 or 7, 9, 10 Toyota Camry, and we are trying to add a key. Okay, let's try to connect this tool. It's an X tool for only Toyota Lexus Cycon. It is good for most of the car. You have to have internet, you have to have an app, and stay with us a little bit. I'm gonna try to connect it to the OBD2. Okay, I have just a little bit of trouble, but sorry about that. So now we're gonna discuss this key. This key here is this key here is supposed to be okay. Here we are trying to add a key, but look at this key here. This key is two things. It looks like gray key. The second, look at the tip here. The tip here is cut, and this tip here is not cut. That means this is, they call it valet key. Valet key, you cannot add a key. You cannot add a key at all on the valet key. Okay, this key will not open the glove compartment. Look here. Will not. Why? Because it's a valet key, and the pin here is being cut. You see this one here? Is good, and this will open the glove compartment. Second, it will not open the trunk also if you have the trunk. Second, you cannot add a key on this key. You have to delete everything and write it again. This is a valet key. How you know the valet key? If you put the key in the ignition, the security will not go away. Look here. Security will stay 3 seconds on, then go off. This is a valet key. So you cannot add a key on the valet key, but it is a master key. You're gonna add it. What you need to do, you have to delete everything. Do all kilos. You're gonna register this one and register this one in the next. So now I am using the piece that I already connected there, and I will go to immobilizer. I gotta turn the ignition on with this one. Don't worry about that. You see the light go off. So now let me turn the radio off. I go to immobilizer. Let me put it here. And this one here is 4D. I click this. 2010. I will say okay. What you need to do, I believe, immobilize, reset immobilizer, because you have to reset it. If you don't reset it, you know, now the light is gonna go on, stay on forever. It never go away. So what you need to do is so now reset complete. Program 2 key, master key and slave key. Insert the first master key into the ignition and wait 5 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one as a master. So I'm gonna put this as a master, wait 5 seconds. Okay, you see there, stay on. And insert in the ignition and wait 5 seconds. Do not switch ignition on. Then remove the insert and remove it and do the other one. So I'm gonna remove this one here. I'm gonna put the other one. You're gonna go on to, that means this also registered already. So what next? So I'm gonna take this one out, or just this one here, turn the ignition on. Now you see there, it's blinking, right? No, I'm gonna turn the key on and off 5 times quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it starts the car. The car is stopped. So now I believe I registered 2 keys. So take this one out, put it in. You see valet key. 3 seconds and go off. Now let me put the other one. This one here, it go right away off. Look here. Look at the light. Light is blinking. Look there. I'm gonna put this one in 1 time. Gone. Start it. Car is start. Okay. Stay with me. Okay, now the car is running fine. Now the car is running fine there. Okay. What next you need to do? The only thing left is to open the door, leave it on, and turn this on. I'm gonna open this ignition. Now I'm gonna go back here. Let me go back again. This one I can say okay, and it's done. I gotta go back, go to remote. What is this? I believe type 2, maybe type 1, no, it's not type 3, so maybe the system is off completely, so I'm going to start again. The system maybe is get disconnected. Now I'm going to program the no. Remote, type 2, program remote, switch ignition on, driver door open. Now you're going to ask me to push this lock and unlock in 2 seconds. Okay, push lock and unlock, and then lock. That's it. Say okay. Programming success. Case close. Now I'm gonna close the door. Take this key out. Door lock. And it's programmed. We learn from here that you have to have, if you have 2 keys, the value key will not, you cannot add a key on the top of it. You need to add a master key, or you need to add another key. You have to delete everything. Then you put the first key, you're going to be master, the second key will be valet, and then you're going to add more. The valet key will not open the trunk, will not open the glove compartment because the pins cut differently. And this is from 2007 to 2010. For D keys, I'm using this tool to program it. This tool will not work, and most of the time need internet to clarify. That means if you are somewhere in the desert or in the jungle or there is no internet, it will not work. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and see you in another video. Thank you.